Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today we're gonna make Twilight Sparkle in Pinkie Pie completely out of Play-Doh. We're gonna start by making the legs. For Twilight Sparkle's hair, we're gonna need the help of Sully from Monsters University. And there you go, our Twilight Sparkle completely out of Play-Doh. It's time to make Pinkie Pie. For the hair, we're gonna use Play-Doh Plus. Now that we have Twilight Sparkle and Pinkie Pie, it's time to make ourselves some stamps using this Pinkie Pie stamper. Let's use green, red, and blue. Using an empty can of Play-Doh, we can just cut out the extra Play-Doh. We can also make many other little ponies using this book mold. Just press it really firmly. And there it is, our little Pinkie Pie in pink. We can make this Pinkie Pie red, blue, and even green. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more Play-Doh right here on Disney Collector.